Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chantrea, and today we're gonna garden in the backyard. I've been trying to get us to spend more time in the backyard, so here I am trying to get some plants planted in to make it look a little bit nicer because our backyard is full of dirt, and maybe having some plants around, we might want to spend more time back here. If you like working in a garden or you just like to see other people work in the garden, I guess you can watch my video and hopefully you enjoy it. If you enjoy, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe as well. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, so let's get into it. So I moved the plants around the boxwoods on each side, my iceberg rose, and I have geraniums. I think I'm gonna split them and put them here. I'm gonna have a little walkway path, brick pathway right there. Okay, my husband came and dug out all the holes for me. I have a iceberg rose I'm gonna put here in the corner, geraniums I'm gonna pop beside the iceberg, and then I have 5 Japanese boxwoods that I had got from clearance. I'm just gonna put them on the ends. So now let's plant them. It's in the 90s today, and so far I've only got that much. I wanted to split that one so I could put it here, but I couldn't split. I was scared to split it, but a piece ripped off, so I planted it, and hopefully it will root and grow. I guess we'll find out. I had got these wooden fences from my little brother's friend's grandma. She had gave me a bunch, but I think I'm gonna use this one, the picket fence looking one. So far, I put the fences up. Now, my brick border and a brick pathway like I did in the front yard. Maybe one on this side too, we'll see. But I want to do on this side because we plan on moving my daughter's trampoline here. Then she has her play set right here. And yeah, my little setup to hold my camera and to shade it because I don't feel like looking for my tripod. We ripped up all this old turf and I did some weeding, but there's still so much more to do. But I just want to get this area started first, and then my little garden area over there. Okay, I just cleaned that area up when I was watering it. It's all dirty again. But I know this is not the right way to do it. I am just a DIYer. I've done this in the front yard and it works fine. And so I just want to do in the backyard so we could want to spend more time in the backyard. We really don't use the backyard. It's just our daughter and our dogs. We mostly just hang out in the front yard. But I want to make it look at it a little bit more pretty so we could actually hang out back here. I moved these chairs back here. And ever since I did that, we spend a little bit more time back here. So yeah, maybe if I make it pretty again, we'll want to spend more time out here. Okay, this is the final result. Ended up doing too high. This needs to be redone because it's a little sloped in the middle. So I gotta redo that. But it's looking good. Got the mulch in. Looks good. Thinking about maybe putting another walkway here and adding another border along that side. Quick view of my garden. My cilantro already started to flower. Got some baby tomatoes growing. There's a couple here. Carrots are starting to sprout. Got a bell pepper. Some jalapenos. An ant. My strawberries. My bok choy. I don't remember what those were. Maybe green beans. Green beans. And I think that was cucumber squash. I can't remember. But yeah. Got those going. I also have these hollyhocks that self-seed in the middle of our backyard. I don't like it here because it's just random. I kind of want to dig it out and put it in a pot or plant it somewhere else. I love the color though. But I just hate how random it is right here. I also now have this pot that the geranium was in. And I'm thinking what I should put in here now. Maybe my orange tree. Also planted this bougainvillea that my sister got me for Mother's Day. She got me this pot and the plant and the trellis. But we'll see if it survives or not because it's been starting to crisp up and like curl on some spots. So I don't know. Maybe it got disturbed with the roots and doesn't like it or something. I don't know, but we shall see if it survives. It's still nice and green. It's just some leaves are crispy and curled up like that. And it makes this big old pile of rust or whatever when I water it. I did try to cover a drainage hole, but it still leaks out, but it's okay. I'll just spray it down. It's easy to clean up. So this here is an orange tree that my mom gave me. I think I'm gonna put it in this pot and put it right here. I don't know, this pot might be too small for the orange tree, honestly. I have another pot in the front that I use for my olive tree. And that olive tree is not growing at all. So I might even just move the olive tree into this pot and the orange tree into that pot. And it has a bunch of other flowers growing on the back. Oh, here comes the wind. My olive tree pot. Also, when I was looking for a white rose bush, most of them had already bloomed and then the blooms were spent. So I had to find one that was just full of buds. So that way I could be the one to enjoy all these buds when they open up instead of having one that's already bloomed and spent. So yeah, this one has only 3 opened, but lots of buds.